In 2026, the definition of luxury on wheels was completely rewritten.
The world was no longer impressed by speed alone, it was fascinated by intelligence, comfort, and futuristic design.
This new era began with vehicles that looked like they came straight out of tomorrow. First, the spotlight turned to the 2026 BYD Seal 05 MD, a luxury electric sedan SUV that silently glided onto the stage. From the outside, its sharp LED headlights and smooth aerodynamic body reflected modern elegance. But the real magic began when you stepped inside. The cabin felt more like a premium lounge than a car: soft ambient lighting, a panoramic digital dashboard, and AI-powered driving assistants that learned your habits. With zero emissions and instant torque, the Seal 05 MD proved that electric cars could be powerful, stylish, and environmentally responsible at the same time. As technology moved forward, luxury didn't stop at city roads, it traveled beyond them. That's where the 2026 Jaguar Motor Home, a $4 million masterpiece, changed everything. This wasn't just an RV, it was a mobile luxury mansion. Built with bold Jaguar DNA, it featured massive glass panels, a futuristic cockpit, and a commanding road presence. Inside, there were private bedrooms, a designer kitchen, marble-finished bathrooms, and a living area that felt like a five-star hotel suite. Wherever this motorhome stopped, it turned heads and redefined road travel for the elite. But then came something even more extraordinary. The Mercedes-Benz luxury RV concept pushed imagination to its limits. With a double-decker design and aircraft-inspired curves, it looked like a rolling space station. Inside, golden ambient lighting, smart glass walls, and voice-controlled systems created a fully connected smart home on wheels. Mercedes didn't just design a vehicle, they designed a lifestyle.
A place where business meetings, family moments, and long-distance adventures could all happen without compromise.
Together, these vehicles